Hey everyone. So I'm going to do a side-by-side painting today. These are two 10-inch squares, and I've got some leftover paints that didn't make it into my new bottles, and I do have a couple of my new bottles in here as well. But I have quite the color selection here. I'm going to use black and white, also Soho Cad Yellow Green. This is Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, Soho Cobalt Blue, Craft Smart Sea Mist Pearl, Premier Violet, and Deco Art Oyster Pearl. So I sat here for a minute before I started the camera to figure out which order I was going to put them in, and when I laid them out, I was happy with that. This will be my shoot down color. So I'm going to need 2 cups, and I think I'm going to do flips, and I think I'll mix up 1 little cup and in this little Dixie cup that I will tie the 2 together with a little dirty pour going through. Hopefully, we'll see. But after that will be after I tilt them enough to get them so there isn't so much paint left on the canvas. So let me get these sprayed. I use the WD-40 silicone spray in the black can to release the paint from the cups. If you rub it in, you won't get any cells, but it will just release. And if you leave it, you'll get some small cells. I'm not really concerned about that. All my paints have these spot-on treadmill silicone in them. All these products are available on my Amazon shop, and the link is below in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with black, and I am going to put that white somewhere in the middle there. I have not decided yet. So I'm going to put black in both cups. This bottle is monstrous. These are 32-ounce bottles. I should just use them for paint storage because they really don't help me while I'm painting. Then we're going to go ahead with that Soho Cad Yellow Green. And then Artist Loft Cerulean Blue on the outside edges. I'm trying anyway. And that's where I think I'll layer the white on top. Yeah. This bottle's heavy. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead with the Cobalt Blue. It's a pretty color. I almost want a copper in here, but let's try to keep it simple for all of you that are new. We are bringing you on to the dark side. And then we're going to go ahead with that purple. I'm going to go ahead and just do a light layer of each color again, except I'm not going to do it in this little cup. So this little cup will get its little round and it's pushed down, and set that aside. So another little light layer of black. I might do a push down right here. Okay. Yellow green. Get those out of the way. Cerulean blue. White. Cobalt blue. sea mist pearl. There. Violet. Oh yay, I like when I use up paint. And the oyster pearl. Okay. So I'm going to separate these two. Ooh, got lots of cool little things popping up in there. This is a lot of paint for this little canvas, but I want to make sure that I get all those colors on here. And we will be pulling skins probably from these. I've been pulling skins from almost every painting lately. I have thousands. Time to sit down and make some jewelry. So I'm going to go ahead and let that go. Bring it right back here so it doesn't escape. And I'm going to flip that cup over there. And we're going to do the same thing on this one. Pretty, pretty. I did these colors on a similar pour. I was very happy with the outcome. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch these out. I'm going to head down here first. And we have that oyster pearl in there as a metallic as well as the pearl. So these will change as they dry. Come down here first. Get my paint back in the middle and come right back at it. I was teaching my husband how to do a pour last night on our Monday night on our live. Teaching him how to cup his corners. Okay. I love that black in there. I probably won't have it in this one, because they never come out the same. If you haven't liked us on Facebook, the link is below for that. You'll get to find out what's going on and see some dried paintings before anybody else does. I post pictures of other things there too. My niece's wedding cake and that I made for her, and pictures of the dog and this odds and ends stuff. Okay, so I love this, so I don't really want to interrupt that. So I'm going to turn that one this way. And I kind of like this corner here, because now I want to tie them together. That's almost galaxy looking, isn't it? Let me wipe my hand off, and I'm going to grab that other cup. And I am going to give it a swirl. Just to mix up the color. And I want to just double check to see what's coming out first. Okay. So we are good to go. I'm really hoping we'll get some black. We can always do more than one ribbon. don't know if I need another one. So I'm going to push this down, stretch it out, and then push it back. Because I really wanted to get rid of some of that mess on the corner. Okay, so I'll push this back in and then back out. We didn't get any black, except for right there. But I'm happy with that. I don't think I want to do anything else to it. I want to bring this edge down just a smidge, so it kind of goes together a little better. That'll work, because you can always stagger them. We could always bring this canvas down here. Yeah, I'm happy. Those are good. Let me wipe my hands and give them one more torch. See if I can get some cells up in those ribbons. And then we'll be almost done. Just pop in some air bubbles first. And that's going to be it. I have to bring them up to you separately. Here's the first one. I love that, where the black is. Isn't it pretty? Makes its own little webbing. Didn't really do it on this one over here, though. But I love the ribbon on this one. Pretty, pretty. So that's it, guys. Check the links below. Leave some comments. Get in touch with me on Facebook if you need to, at Christina Welch Art. All the links are below for everything that we talked about. And I will see you all on the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.